All right, today we're gonna bring an actual seat for your bike. If you're gonna set up a new bike or you have an existing bike that you don't like the seat, this is a perfect replacement. If you guys can see the center of it, there's a see-through and the air floats through the actual seat. So it's a little refreshing when you're riding a bike on this one. All right, it's not gonna be hot in between. So, and then also it's perfect for anybody's buns in the back. This is a wide seat, if you guys can see, compared to the old one. I have a little thin one, half of the size of this one. We're going to replace it with this. Right now, what's included, they give you an arm strap, and this is a reflective light, so you could ride at night. The car's going to be able to see you from far away. They give you the actual tools, an Allen wrench and a little wrench to actually remove the existing seat and then add the new one. So we're going to set it up and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're going to go ahead and replace it with the new one. Go down. It's all set up. All we're going to do is tie it up in here. You guys can see that. We're going to tie it up and have it ready to go.